This industrial site spanned 36 acres. The site closed in 2010 with a loss of 200 jobs. It's along the waterfront in East Anglia. In its peak, in the mid-80s, they employed around 400 people, and it became the largest modern complex of its type in Europe. In 1999, the site was purchased by a US company, and then 10 years later, they announced the closure of the site. Since recording this video, this site has been hit by a lot of vandalism and quite a few fires. Hope you enjoyed this video. It's a little bit rushed because it was in the pouring, freezing rain in New Year's Eve, I think, I filmed this. So yeah, please enjoy.
So today, people, me and Lee, he's behind the camera, we're at this abandoned factory. We're just waiting for the moment, just for a couple of cars to pass, and then we're going to head in, alright? Here he is.
Hello.
Lee Explores, link down below. This is pretty mental. I haven't been in this big a warehouse before. I've been in quite a lot of abandoned places, but this is pretty big. Look up here on the roof still, we've still got machinery up here. That's the first time I've ever met like children at an urban explore. It's quite funny. Don't know, it might just be the flooring. But I imagine these yellow lines is where they stored things. Or you weren't allowed to walk in here, there was machines in here. So I imagine this was the door which was on here. But yeah, look at all that wood and machinery. Possibly part of whatever this was. Alright, let's go poke our heads through here, see what's around. To be honest, they just look like empty offices in here. Nothing too interesting. I ain't gonna bother.
It might be though. Might need.
See you later. They're the people we met over there.
Try one of them.
Alright, you can, yeah, let's go.
See what.
Lee wants to have a look in one.
Well, you know, you've got to try these things when you're in, yeah. I was wondering what that noise was then, and I'm like, yeah, it's raining outside.
Yeah, it's just an old Hoover.
There's a lot wrong.
Yeah. It's just empty rooms. Is it? I mean, look how dangerous that is, people. If you go in that, you're falling through the floorboards in there. That's so dangerous. Outside, and we're walking around the outside of that building we were just in. We're going to try and find the big metal pipes. They're impressive, very impressive. Okay, all the roof looks intact. Yeah. I think all the roof's intact. Look, if you look at it. Yeah. We won't spend long in this one anyway, just for safety reasons. Those stairs look stable. We come across this little like tech station just sitting in here, and whatever that is, I don't know, but little wood tech station. This is going to be a very choppy video, and that's because look at the weather. It's pouring with rain, so I'm just going to chuck the bits together that look good on camera. We've now come to the part which I've always wanted to go to, which is the massive metal structure. Absolutely stunning. It's incredible. That is stunning. And now we're in the last warehouse. I've got to be quick because my battery's going to die. But look at this. I imagine over that side there, there's all old workshops. And this is the empty warehouse, another one. Amazing, truly amazing. I love the blue light, well the normal light from daylight coming through to hit the blue beams. It lights the place up. I'll show you now. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, please subscribe. We're going to go home now. Catch you on the next one. Peace.